Here we're given the derivative of a function, and we're asked to find the original function. Well, doing this is the opposite of differentiation. It's finding the antiderivative, or the integral. But before we can find the integral of this function, it would be best if we distributed this thing out. So 3x times x squared gives us 3x cubed. 3x times 1/3 just gives us x. Now, if we want to find g of x given g prime of x, we need to find the integral of 3x cubed minus x. And the variable in this problem is x, so we're going to integrate this with respect to x. Power rule for integration says that to complete this integral, we need to add 1 to our power on x and divide by that power. So what we're going to do on this first term is we're going to copy down the 3 first. We're going to take the power on x, which was a 3, and add 1 to that, making it a 4. And then we're going to divide this term by that new power, giving us a 3/4 here. Now for the next term, we're going to carry down the negative sign. We're going to add 1 to this power on x. The power was 1, and now it's going to be 2. And we're going to divide this term by that new power, giving us a 2 in the denominator. Then we're just going to tack on an arbitrary constant. We're going to put a plus c on there. Now to write this function in a slightly more standard form, we're just going to call this 3/4 x to the 4th minus 1/2 x squared plus c. And this is great so far. We've found our g of x function here. But the only thing that we don't know is what is the value of this constant that we added on. To find that c, we're going to use the initial condition that we were given up here. Our initial condition gives us g of 1, so that means we're going to plug x equals 1 into our g of x function. So we get 3/4 minus 1/2 plus c. And if you simplify that, by combining your fractions, you get 1/4 plus c as your g of 1. Well, this initial condition all the way up here says the g of 1 is actually 3. So I'm going to plug in g of 1 equals 3, and this gives us an equation that we can solve for c. This 3 can be thought of as 12/4, so if we subtract 1/4 from that, we get c equals 11/4. Alright, so we're basically finished with this problem. We just need to plug c equals 11/4 into our final answer for g of x. And we have found our final answer. We have solved what we call an initial value problem. That's the problem where we're given a derivative of a function and what we call an initial condition. So that is it. I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next problem of the day.